Ready to turn your Android into a Dogecoin generating machine? First, head over to the Google Play Store and search for Mining Pool Monitor. This app lets you track your mining progress, a crucial step for monitoring your earnings. Once installed, open the app and tap on the settings icon. We need to configure it to watch our Dogecoin mining activity. Now, create an account on a reputable Dogecoin mining pool like ProHashing or VApp. Navigate to your Dogecoin mining stats page on their website. Copy your API key, user ID, and the pool URL from your mining pool account and paste them into the corresponding fields within the Mining Pool Monitor app settings. This links the app to your mining activity. Next, download a Dogecoin mining app like DogeMiner from the Play Store or directly from the developer's website. Be careful and do your research before installing to avoid scams. In the DogeMiner app, enter the same mining pool details and your Dogecoin wallet address. This is where your mined Dogecoin will be sent. Hit that start button and let your Android device start mining. Monitor your progress using the Mining Pool Monitor app to see your hashing rate and estimated earnings. Remember, earning potential depends on your device's processing power and the current Dogecoin mining difficulty. While you probably won't get rich mining on your phone, it's a fun way to learn about cryptocurrency.